car interior detailing brushes clean dust, dirt, and tight spaces for a spotless cabin. My today's video is about top 5 best washing machine that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Faqeegi car interior detailing brush. This 9-piece wheel detailing set is a well-rounded and practical kit for anyone serious about keeping their wheels clean and well-maintained. It includes everything needed for full wheel care: flat rim brush, dual tire brushes, boar hair detail brush, applicator pads, towel, and a storage bag, making it suitable for sedans, SUVs, trucks, and even ATVs. One of the standout features is its metal-free, scratch-proof design. The ultra-soft bristles safely clean painted, chrome, and coated wheels without leaving swirl marks or damage, while still effectively removing brake dust and grime. The variety of brushes ensures thorough cleaning in tight gaps, spokes, lug nuts, and other hard-to-reach areas. The ergonomic and lightweight design helps reduce hand fatigue, making longer detailing sessions more comfortable and controlled. The reusable materials, washable pads, and durable construction also add long-term value. Overall, this is a complete, professional-level detailing kit that delivers excellent cleaning performance, protection, and convenience, making it a great choice for both DIY users and car enthusiasts. Now our second product is TTRCB car interior detailing brush. This 26-piece car cleaning kit is an all-in-one solution for both interior and exterior detailing. It includes a wide range of tools such as detailing brushes, drill brush attachments, wire brushes, wheel and tire brushes, a dash duster, wash mitt, towels, spray bottle, and a storage bag, making it suitable for complete vehicle care. The variety of brushes is especially useful for reaching different surfaces in tight areas like vents, lug nuts, wheel grooves, dashboards, and engine compartments. The drill brush attachments add extra cleaning power for tougher grime, helping save time and effort during deep cleaning sessions. The long-handled wheel brush and short tire brush are well designed for reaching difficult spots while preventing scratches. Soft bristles and microfiber materials ensure safe cleaning on delicate surfaces, while still being effective against dirt and brake dust. Overall, this is a highly versatile and practical detailing kit that offers excellent value, making it a great choice for car enthusiasts or anyone looking to keep their vehicle thoroughly clean and well-maintained. Our third product is Chemical Guy's car interior detailing brush. This 17-piece car detailing kit is a complete all-in-one solution for anyone who wants to clean and maintain their vehicle at home without guessing what products to buy. It includes everything needed for a full detail, from interior cleaners for dashboards and seats to wheel and tire solutions for brake dust, plus foaming soap for exterior paint and detailing brushes for tight areas. The kit is well thought out for a complete workflow. With a 4.5-gallon wash bucket, dirt trap, microfiber wash mitt, drying towel, multiple detailing brushes, and foam applicator pads, it covers every step: foam, wash, dry, and apply, making the detailing process smooth and efficient. The included Chemical Guy's formulas are pH balanced and safe for paint, coatings, and interior surfaces, giving confidence in both professional and at-home use. The results are noticeably clean, with streak-free paint, refreshed interiors, and spotless wheels that make the car look freshly detailed. Overall, this is a practical, high-quality starter kit and an excellent gift option for car owners who want a complete and reliable detailing setup. Now number 4, TTRCB car interior detailing brush. This 27-piece car detailing kit is a highly complete and versatile cleaning solution for both interior and exterior vehicle care. It includes a wide range of tools such as drill brush attachments, detailing brushes, wire brushes, microfiber towels, wash mitt, wax applicators, polishing pads, and specialized tools for vents, dashboards, and tires, making it suitable for almost every cleaning task. The 5 drill brush attachments with different stiffness levels provide strong scrubbing power for tough dirt on wheels, carpets, and exterior surfaces. Combined with polishing pads and a backer, they also help with deeper cleaning and surface finishing. The variety of detailing and wire brushes makes it easy to clean tight spaces like vents, lug nuts, engine bays, and small crevices effectively. Soft microfiber tools like the wash mitt and towels ensure safe, scratch-free cleaning while absorbing water efficiently. The ergonomic dash and vent brushes add precision for delicate interior areas. Overall, this is a well-rounded, professional-style kit that offers excellent value for full car care and makes a great gift for car enthusiasts. And our last choice is Alflod car interior detailing brush. This 30-piece car detailing kit is a practical and well-rounded solution for keeping a vehicle clean both inside and out. It includes a variety of essential tools such as detailing brushes, towels, wash gloves, and specialized cleaning accessories designed to reach different areas like the body, wheels, and tight gaps. One of the standout items is the car cleaning gel, which is very effective for picking up dust and debris from hard-to-reach places such as air vents, cup holders, dashboards, and control panels. It adds extra convenience for interior detailing, especially in small crevices. The exterior car duster with extendable handle is also useful for quickly cleaning large or hard-to-reach surfaces like windshields and hoods. Meanwhile, the multiple detailing brushes help ensure precise cleaning in areas like wheel hubs, grills, and window edges. Soft materials like towels and wash gloves help protect surfaces while cleaning. The kit is also easy to maintain, as tools can be restored with warm water if deformed. Overall, it offers great value and versatility for home users and professionals alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.